This is the Invicta Pro Diver Series gold-plated watch. It's nice and robust. I've had it for several years, and yeah, I think it looks great. Let's take off this part here so you can see it. I keep it on there just to keep it protected. Here gives you like the date. It's got the little magnifier bevel right there. Comes loaded with features, and let me put it on my wrist so you can see what it looks like. You just undo the clasp like that. There is the Invicta insignia right there. Okay, there it is. It's easily adjustable. All you can have to do is just get a tool and you can adjust this in order to fit. Obviously I need to get it adjusted, but that's exactly what it looks like. Invicta Pro Diver gold watch.